Hey everyone! Tired of HTML designs turning into outdated, clunky PDFs? You're not alone. Many developers and digital creators face the same frustration, perfectly styled web pages falling apart when exported. That's where PDFY Cloud steps in. This powerful API makes it easy to convert your HTML and CSS into pixel-perfect PDFs or images with just one call. From invoices and product pages to full reports, everything stays true to your original design. With live previews, dynamic variable support, and smooth integrations, PDFY Cloud helps you get professional-grade exports fast. No messy hacks, no extra plugins, just clean, accurate rendering every time. And now, with the PDFY Cloud lifetime deal on AppSumo, you can lock in this power tool for good. What is PDFY Cloud? Well, PDFY Cloud is a simple yet powerful API that converts your HTML and CSS into high-quality PDFs or PNG images. You can test and preview your code in real time using built-in tools, making development faster and smoother. It supports dynamic variables for personalized content, and you can export using Curl, Python, or JavaScript. From generating invoices to custom reports, PDFY Cloud makes rendering fast, accurate, and professional. It's built for developers, marketers, and businesses who care about clean, consistent output. Limited time lifetime deal now live on AppSumo. Normally, rendering like this can cost you hundreds per year, or worse, force you into bloated software that's a nightmare to use. But with PDFY Cloud on AppSumo, you get a one-time deal starting at just $69. That's it, pay once, convert forever. Here's the breakdown of all three tiers you can grab from AppSumo. License Tier 1, one-time payment of $69, regularly $420. 1,000 conversions per month, HTML to PDF, HTML to PNG, URL to image, website to full screenshot, base 64 support. Perfect for solo developers, freelancers, or small businesses that need solid conversions without monthly bills. License Tier 2, one-time payment of $139, regularly $1,260. 3,000 conversions per month, URL response for generated assets, quality control, dynamic templates with variable support. Ideal for mid-sized teams or anyone working with automation, personalization, or client deliverables. License Tier 3, one-time payment of $259, regularly $3,000. 7,500 conversions per month. Everything in Tier 2 plus more muscle. Designed for agencies, high-traffic platforms, or growing teams with big rendering needs. And don't worry, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. For most important features that make PDFY Cloud special. Perfect visual fidelity. Your PDF or image will match your HTML/CSS down to the pixel. Full styling control. Keep your fonts, spacing, colors, and brand vibe exactly as you designed. Real-time live previews. Test your HTML CSS directly in the platform before pushing live. Multiple output formats. Choose between PDF or PNG outputs, or get both. People who can get benefit from PDFY Cloud. Accountants. E-commerce store owners. Task automation wizards. Web developers. Designers and agencies, content creators, marketing teams. If you fall into any of these buckets, or even just love having clean exports, this deal was made for you. Want 10% off on top? Here's how to grab an extra 10% off on top of that sweet AppSumo deal. Step by step to save. Visit PDFY Cloud's lifetime deal on AppSumo. Wait for the discount pop-up. Enter your email address. Use that email at checkout. Boom, enjoy 10% extra off your lifetime plan. Extra savings on a lifetime deal? That's a steal on top of a steal. So, are you still waiting? If you've been struggling with ugly PDF exports, half-baked rendering tools, or buggy browser inconsistencies, PDFY Cloud is the tool you've been wishing for. This is your chance to get pro-grade PDF or PNG conversion that respects your design. So, stop using 1997 tech for a 2025 business. Got value from this video? Show some love, hit like, share with your squad, and subscribe for future reviews.